Welcome back to Harbor Freight, all you Harbor Freight bros and broettes. There's like 7% broettes. And today we have the new Harbor Freight dollar days now going through May 23rd. So these are the dollar days. These are going to be the newest ones. They started yesterday, going through the 23rd. And let's just go ahead and go through them and see what they have. This one I feel like they always have. This is always a dollar day. Don't ever buy this for more than $1. Then again, it's just $1. 49% off. 1/4-inch steel industrial plug. Merlin, either male or female. $1.99. It's $1. The 16-ounce hand soap orange scent for $1. It's 37% off. Has anybody used this hand soap? I wonder if it's any good. Pittsburgh number 2 by 4-inch Phillips screwdriver for $1. 49% off. 6-inch microfiber applicator pad with pocket for $1. 32% off. Was $1.50. This paint trimmer for $1. 49% off as well. It used to be $1.99. This tack cloth for 22% off. $1 was $1.29. Pittsburgh alert. We have the Pittsburgh socket rail. Your choice of either 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, or 1/2-inch for $1. 32% off for $1. If you have your sockets just sitting in a drawer and you're not a big fan of organization, but if you could spend $1 just to get some things, to have them at least lined up, this is the time. Get it for $1. Get it for $1.50, but get it for $1 might as well. Pittsburgh 12-inch gooseneck wrecking bar for $2. 59% off. Wrecking bar for $2. Then we have the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch by 10-foot protective wire wrap for $2. That's 42% off. HFT 0.20 fluid ounces semi-permanent thread lock blue. 33% off for $2. Limit 4. Then we have the Pittsburgh precision screwdriver set. Okay, with molded handles, 6-piece for $3. 49% off. That seems pretty decent. You need these here every once in a while. And they look like they have nice, comfy, girthy grip for $3. Save 50%. And then we have these magnetic hook sets, 4-pack, $3. Almost 40% off. They were $5. And these are super convenient to have hanging around on your toolboxes or your refrigerators. Obviously anything metal that's magnetic. They hold up a decent amount of weight. Let's see. Magnetic pull is almost 5 pounds, able to hold 4 3/4 pounds. Now, obviously, you're not going to hang anything extremely heavy, but 4 3/4 pounds is pretty. It's going to cover most things. Zinc-plated magnetic hooks. The U.S. Generals, just for reference, are $8. Ugh, but you're paying for the pretty tax because you can choose them in different colors. But pretty good deal, $3. And then we have the original Stick Tech 60-yard by 1.88-inch general purpose masking tape for $3. 14% off. Not a great deal. 14% is actually below the buy zone. So it's like a get it if you need it, but not being enticed by 14% off. Got to get me at least 15%. Storehouse cotter pin assortment, 555 piece for $4, 19% off. We have the Western Safety Face Shield with flip-up visor for $4, 19% off here. Then we have the Pittsburgh adjustable pin spanner wrench for $4, 42% off, was $6.99. We have the Pittsburgh Impact Socket Adapter Set, 3-piece for $5, 37% off. That seems like a pretty decent deal. Getting a real tool for $5, like the $5 menu. 10-ounce compressed air for $5, 16% off. Gotta admit, that does not enunciate, does not feel like a deal. $5 for a duster? I don't know. I feel like that should be $1 or $2. Easy reach and grab, pickup, and reaching tool for $6, 24% off. Brand new Hercules 1 3/8-inch bimetal reduced neck plunge blade for oscillating multi-tools. $6, 24% off. U.S. General alert. The 12-slot stubby wrench organizer, 2 pieces, $6, 24% off. Then we have the Voyager 4-foot by 12-foot canvas drop cloth, $7, 22% off. A hard hat, a ratcheting hard hat for $8, 33% off. That's interesting. That seems like too great of a deal. And they're comparing it to 3M. 3M, obviously known or clearly known most of the time, I guess, for their quality products. And then we have the Pittsburgh 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch tube bender, 9% off at $9. That's almost 10% off. They should have rounded up. And those are the dollar days. I think that's around the same amount of dollar days. Maybe they're less, maybe they're more. A few items to consider. Harbor Freight hopefully should be coming out with their weekend deal very soon, maybe tonight. Really, these are the ones you consider when there's a deal going on. So this is what you fill your basket with if you're going in for a deal or if you already happen to be making a stop at Harbor Freight. Either way, as soon as that deal comes out, hopefully tonight, if not tomorrow, I will send it your way.